So welcome to the unboxing of the Nothing Headphone 1. These are the new flagship headphones from Nothing. And let's get in the box and see what comes inside the box. So this is what the box looks like in general. It's a big box. All right, so you have this Nothing in black here. You have this Nothing R, then Nothing 1 in the top left corner. And then the sides look like that. And then the back has your details like your serial number and some other information about this. So it says these are wireless headphones. Of course, they're Bluetooth, so they should work with both Android and iPhone. But let's get in the box first and see what comes in here. So you strip this open like that. And then with that stripped open, you should now be able to pick it up and open. Yeah, there you go. Like that. And then pull it out. So you have this imprint of the headphones here. So let's pick this up. And you get your soft touch case, just like the Sony headphones. Just put that to the side. And we have a little box here, which I believe should have the charging cable and some paperwork. But let's see. Yeah. So charging cable, type C to type C. Then you have an aux cable, which means you can connect this wired. And paperwork. Okay. And that's it. Okay, so let's put all that to the side and let's look at the headphones themselves. Right, so the soft touch case has a zipper. And we have the black version of the headphones. So this should be where you could put your charger, the charging cable, and the aux cable. All right, so that's looks like that's where they belong. Then the headphones themselves. All right, so I'm gonna close this and put it to the side. And here's the first look at the headphones, black in color. Okay, so this padding feels very soft. Okay, they have this peculiar box shape. Okay, this looks like some kind of cassette to signify that these are for music. So this is the left side. Okay, so the left side has no buttons, just microphones. So this looks like a microphone, and then the right hand side has this rolling button, okay, which you can also press. Then it has this switch. Is this a switch? Yeah, it's kind of a tactile switch that you just push this way or this way. And then you have this switch to turn something on or off. Then you have type C for charging. Then you have the aux port for connecting your aux cable. And then there's another button here. Okay, so I'll be making subsequent videos on these headphones just to see what they can do, and I'll be going through all the features. So make sure to subscribe not to miss any of those. Thanks for watching and good luck.